How to fix Instagram DMs not sending. So first of all, let's open our Instagram, and in here what we're gonna do is first thing check for our internet connection. Make sure you have a good Wi-Fi connection. If you're using your cellular data, also make sure it is like running good, right? So in order to troubleshoot your network issue, what you can do is scroll down through your control panel, tap on your airplane icon, and then wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, tap on it again, turn it off, and just like this, your network connection will be reset. And if it is the network issue, it will be solved just like this. So if it's still not working, another thing that you can do is simply check for your update. So go back and open your Play Store, and in here simply search for Instagram just like this. And in here, if you have any sort of update requirement, you'll be able to see update. Simply tap on update. Within few seconds, your Instagram will be up to date. And after updating your Instagram, if it's still not working, then finally you'll need to offload your application. So go back. In here, open your settings application. Then from here, scroll down a bit, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Then from here, what you're going to do is scroll down until you see Instagram, tap on that one. And in here, tap on offload app, then tap on offload app one more time. Within a few seconds, it will be offloaded. You'll be able to see reinstall app. Tap on reinstall app. Within few minutes, Instagram will be reinstalled back on your phone. Then you can go back, simply open your Instagram, and then from here you can go to your DMs, and I'm pretty sure that your DM will now start being sent. And that is it.